This video will go over how to install the EcoHitch for your Subaru Forester. To start, open the tailgate and remove the two plastic rivets using a Phillips screwdriver. Gently pull the plastic cover and remove, and then repeat on the opposite side. Remove the two bolts holding the tail light assemblies on. Grasp the tail light and gently pull towards the rear of the vehicle. Next, release the tail light wire harness clip. Then, remove the plastic rivets and screws holding the mud flaps and wheel arch trim to the frame. Remove the 7 plastic rivets holding the bottom of the bumper fascia to the body of the vehicle. For the next step, start on one side where the bumper fascia meets the wheel well and pull both sides. After both sides are unsnapped, firmly pull the center away from the clips. Make sure to unplug the wire harness on the driver's side for complete bumper fascia removal. Remove the 4 bolts and 2 nuts holding the cross member on as shown. Place the hitch on the exposed studs. Thread and install an M10 bolt with an M10 flat washer and an M10 lock washer into each frame hole, as well as onto each of the 2 studs protruding through the hitch plates. Next, spray the exhaust hangers with WD-40 or equivalent, and then remove the exhaust. Remove the 4 bolts holding the heat shields to the frame. There may be some plugs to remove from the frame in order to feed your bolt fissure through. Make a small rectangular cut for the 2-inch bolt, cutting along the plate with the letter M. Feed the coil end of the bolt fissure into the second frame hole and out the hitch frame plate hole. Put the appropriate hardware onto the bolt fissure. It is best to push one piece of hardware at a time through the frame plate hole. Remove the bolt fissure and install a plate washer, split lock washer, and nut onto the bolt. Torque all your bolts to the proper foot-pounds in the instructions. Then, reinstall the parts in the opposite order of removal. The cross member will not be reinstalled. Carefully measure and trim your bumper to the measurements laid out in the instructions. Once everything is back on your vehicle, you are ready to use your EcoHitch.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torqloads products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.